Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Market. We are pleased to present the latest updates on economic, financial, and cryptocurrency news with a particular emphasis on XRP. The Cardano founder has once again clashed with the XRP community in a series of tweets. In the tweets, Hoskinson argued that the notion of the entire SEC being united against Ripple due to the bribes from Ethereum insiders is a conspiracy theory. He pointed out that the other organizations, including Coinbase, Kraken, Bittrex, Tron, and dozens more, have also faced regulatory scrutiny, which supports his argument. The discussion on Twitter intensified as users from the XRP community continued to question and challenge Hoskinson's statements. Renewed calls for short-selling ban puts pressure on SEC's Gensler. SEC staffers are advising against implementing a short sell ban. The last time a ban was implemented following the 2008 financial crisis, it actually added more uncertainty to the financial markets, causing bank stocks to fall further. People close to the SEC say Gensler will have to propose the ban himself and push it through the full 5-member commission on a party-line vote. Analysts at JP Morgan have reportedly predicted that Washington could be compelled to take an emergency halt to stop short selling given the banking crisis, per The Times. Meanwhile, it was recently reported that in the third quarter of 2022, 722 banks had amassed unrealized losses over 50% of their capital. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos to know more about XRP, Ripple, and all world's economic news.